Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can copy an object in SketchUp multiple number of times, whether it is in a straight line or in a circular path. So let's get started. I am opening the SketchUp file, and what I'll do in this video is basically I'll draw a cylinder and I'll move it to, or you can say I'll copy it multiple number of times, and you can see how I'm going to do that. I'll start by drawing a circle. I'll make the circle of any radius, and then I'll just extrude this circle to make it a cylinder. And after this, what I'm going to do is I'll right click, I'll select the object, and then I'll make group. Making group is important because if it is a group, when I try to move it, the surface along with this object won't get moved. So making group is important. I'll select this move icon from the top, or you can type M from the keyboard. And what you have to do is you just have to press the control on the keyboard while moving this object. And in the bottom you can see that the length can be entered. So while moving it, you can type what length you want it to be moved, and then you have to just press the you have to just click the mouse button, and then you have to type how many times you want the object to be copied. Like I have typed here 8 into if you want it to be copied 8 times, then you have to type 8 and the multiplication sign from the keyboard, and it depends on how many times you want it to be copied. So this is simple for straight line. Now I'm deleting these objects because I'm going to show you how you can move this or copy it in a circular path. So for that I'll draw a circle, the circle on which I want it to be copied. So I am moving this cylinder to the edge of the circle. For this you need to know the center of the circle. So I have to draw the diameter so that I can find the center of the circle. So I'm drawing these two lines so that I can find the center. And now since I've got the center, I'll click on this rotate icon, and then I'll place it on the center as I'm doing it. And then with the then you must press the control button on the keyboard while rotating it. You just have to rotate it to the particular angle what you want, and you have to press control for copying it, otherwise it would get just rotated and not copied. You have to press control on the keyboard. And then the same applies here also. After clicking the mouse button, you have to type the number of times you want it to be copied in that direction. Like just now I did it for 5 times. Now I'll show you for a bigger number of times. So I'll repeat it. I'll just select the cylinder. Sorry. Yeah, I'll just do it again. I'll select this cylinder, and then I'll rotate it with the control on the keyboard, and then I'll just leave the mouse button, and then I'll type here 20x and enter. As you can see that it will be copied 20 times, and here you can see that it has been copied 20 times. So this was a simple step for you people out there who want to copy their object multiple number of times. This is very easy, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any comments that you want to learn in SketchUp, please comment in